Hey folks, Crouching Python here with part 3 of Intro to Sonic Pi. Today we're going to talk about synths, and I hope it's going to be a short and sweet intro to this. So a synth in Sonic Pi terms is simply kind of, I guess the way you could think of it is it's like an instrument through which you play whatever your notes are. So for instance, right here I have these notes. Okay, we're going to stop that. That's kind of boring. Okay, it's just Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But the synth that I'm using is what we call the default synth for Sonic Pi, which is the beep, which is, I suppose, a kind way to put it is boring. Okay, so let's see what else we got here. So here's how you do this, okay? So right now, the key is you got to do this before you play anything, all right? So we're going to turn on the synth, then we're going to play stuff. So you heard the beep. So the key is use synth. All right. Whoa, synth. And then if you hit a space bar right here, when your cursor is blinking after the H, you'll get a drop-down menu of all the synths that are available. And the synths are basically sounds, okay? It's not the actual notes. So let's just pick the next. Beep is the default. So let's try blade, okay? Just for fun. Oopsie, didn't work. Okay, so let's try that again. I think you have to hit tab is the key, okay? Blade. Or double click, okay? So now we have said, before we start playing these notes, which is just twinkle, twinkle, use the blade synth. So let's listen to that. Let's see what it sounds like. Alrighty, so that's a little different, right? So, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's try, see what else. B noise. Now I can warn you that the noise ones are going to sound noisy. We're going to run it. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, but that might be useful in some instances, okay? I wouldn't pick it for that. Okay, let's try chip bass. See what it sounds like. So as I understand it, chip bass is kind of like chip tune, which is kind of like 8-bit game sounds, old Nintendo 64 stuff. Okay? Chip lead. Oh, okay. Try that. Yeah. Get the idea? Okay. Again, go to here. Cursor's blinking right after the H. Hit that. Another noise, dark ambiance, D pulse, D saw is an interesting. Let's try that. Okay, ready? So even though it's just twinkle twinkle, we're changing it up a little bit, okay? We're getting some interesting sounds, okay? D try. All right, you'll notice the boring factor is starting to get eliminated, okay? So we've kind of set up Sonic Pi, we've done some Hello World, we've picked some MIDI notes, we're doing a kind of a boring song, but the key is now that we're doing it in some interesting ways. So I'm going to try a mod try. Okay, mod is short for modulation. So listen to this. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, so modulation means it goes between one and the other. It modulates or changes between one part of the note and another part of the note. And so when you do that, some of the mods sound, like this. So we're getting all kinds of spacey stuff, which is good, I think. Anyway, so we're ramping it up a notch. These are called synths. So again, use _synth before the notes that you want to play. Hit right here, you hit the space bar. it will give you all of your choices that they have of the different synths, which are just sounds. It doesn't change the notes at all. The notes are the same, okay? So try that. We'll see you in the next one. My name is Crouching Python, Sonic Pi 3. Cool stuff. See you on number 4.